and girls, this activity is called Dino Egg Hatch, and I need your help to hatch my little dinos. So what I need you to do is pick an egg out, and you are going to write the number that you picked right here where the little eggs are. So if you picked an egg and maybe it's the number 37, you would write 37 right here where the eggs are. Then you need to remember what is 1 less than 37 and what's 1 more than 37. So it would be 36, 37, 38. Then you're going to put the egg back and you're going to pick another egg. So let's say maybe I picked 44. I'm going to write 44 where the little eggs are in the middle. And then I'm going to write 10 less than 44 and 10 more than 44. So let's see, 10 less, that would be 34, 44, 54. And then you're going to put the egg back again. So you're going to be picking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different eggs. And you're going to find the numbers that come either 1 less, 1 more, or 10 less, 10 more. Have fun! Hopefully you can hatch my dinos.